Suppose we have two variables x and y. We can easily copy x into y and use it. This is the case with most programming language, but not with Python list. Please give detailed attention to this session. We will be learning something really out of box thing from the programming world. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session. And today we will study how to copy one list variable into another. Believe me, it's tricky. It's not that straightforward. So, suppose we have variable x with value 1, 2, 3 like this. Then we write y equal to x and then print the list y. Run the code. Well, you see x and y both are same. It's pretty simple, but there is a twist. Suppose you add the value 4 to list x using the append method like this. Then we print both x and y. Run the code. Well, we got the new values. That's okay. But here y also got updated. So, always remember one thing. When you copy a list using assignment operator, any changes you do in x will be also reflected in the variable y. When you copy a list using assignment operator, that is equal to, its memory location is mapped. When we change the value of one list, it's reflected in the other list. But there could be scenarios when we want to copy x into y and we want actual different copy. In such cases, we use the copy function. Again, declare a list x with value 1, 2 and 3. In the next line, write y equal to x dot copy followed by brackets. Now, append the value to variable x like this. Then print list x and y. Run the code. You see, we have made changes to the list x. It is not reflected in the list y. To summarize, we can copy the list using equal to operator or the copy function. When we use equal to operator, changes done in the one list, it will be reflected in the another list. When we copy using copy function, then a new independent list is created. I hope you understood the difference between copy function and equal to operator. See you in the next session. Thanks for watching.